Welcome to engineering tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about Gauss elimination method. So the question is, solve using Gauss elimination method. 3x minus y plus 3z is equals to 10. This is my first equation. X plus y plus z is equals to 6. This is my second equation. And 5x plus 5y minus 4z is equals to 3. This is my third equation. So the rule is you have to take first two equation and do the operation of addition and multiplication, addition or subtraction to eliminate any of the variable. So first I will be taking 3x minus y plus 3z is equals to 10. This is my equation 1. Then x plus y plus z is equals to 6. This is my equation number 2. So here you can clearly see 3x is positive, y is negative, and 3z is again positive. And in the coming equation, x is positive, y is positive, and z is positive. So here y can be easily eliminated without multiplying any number. So adding equation and 1 and 2, we get 3x plus x is equals to 4x, plus y is added to minus y will get cancelled automatically. So this entire variable will get cancelled. Then 3z plus z will become 4z, and 10 plus 6 will become 16. So 4, 4 and 16. So we can divide this equation by 4 throughout. Then we will get 4x divided by 4 is equals to x, 4z divided by 4 is equals to z, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So this is my new equation, that is Roman 1. Then I will take again equation 2 with equation 3. So again x plus y plus z is equals to 6. This is my equation number 2. And new equation will be added or subtracted. So this is 5x plus 5y minus 4z is equals to 3. So that is my equation number 3. So here you can clearly see equation 2 does not have any coefficient. So I have to multiply this equation number 2 by 5 to eliminate the term y. So 5 multiplied by x is 5x, y multiplied by 5 is 5y, and z multiplied by 5 is 5z, and 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. And third equation will be as it is. So here I will be doing subtracting operation. So 5x minus 5x will become 0, 5y minus 5y will become 0, 5z plus 4z will become 9z. Here you will get confused that why did I take the different sign. So plus, for plus it will be minus, for plus it will be minus, for minus it will be plus, and again for plus it will be minus. So you have to take the reverse signs. So that's why 5z plus 4z, not 5z minus 4z. Many of the students get confused between addition and subtraction. So you have to always consider the opposite sign, the bottom sign which is shown over here. So 5z plus 4z will become 9z, 30 minus 3 will become 27. So z is equals to 27 divided by 9. So z will become positive 3. Because 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Once you get the value of z or any of the variable, you can put this value in equation 1, which is Roman 1. So x plus z is equals to 4. So I have substituted z is equals to 3 in this equation. So this will become x plus 3 is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 minus 3, therefore x is equals to 1. Now you got two variables, x is equal to 1 and z is equals to 3. So you can substitute these two variables in any of the equation, like equation 1, equation 2 or equation 3. So out of these three equations, I will be choosing equation 2 because it's very simple to get the final answer. So x plus y plus z is equals to 6. So here I have substituted x is equals to 1 and z is equals to 3. So 1 plus y plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 3 will become 4. So 4 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equals to 6 minus 4. So final answer is y is equals to positive 2. Now you got all these answers. X is equals to positive 1. Y is equals to positive 2. And z is equals to positive 3. Now we will be seeing Gauss elimination method part 2, which includes very simpler equation, like you can have the solution for only two variables like x and y. Let's continue further. So let's continue with the second sum using Gauss elimination method. So 2x minus y plus 3z is equals to 9. This is my first equation. X plus y plus z is equals to 6. This is my second equation. And x minus y plus z is equals to 2. This is my third equation. So as per the rule, you have to consider first two equation and last two equation for solving. So I'll be taking first two equation, that is 2x minus y plus 3z equal to 9 and x plus y plus z is equals to 6. So here you can clearly see the opposite signs of y. In first equation y is negative and in second equation y is positive. So I will be adding equation 1 and 2 to eliminate y. So 2x plus x is 3x. This y term is eliminated from both the equation. 3z plus z is equals to 4z and 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. So this is my Roman 1. Then I will be taking second equation and third equation and I will do the same procedure. X plus x is 2x. Y and minus y will be eliminated since I will be adding both these equations. Z plus z will become 2z and 6 plus 2 will become 8. So here coefficient of x, z and constant is even number. So I'll be dividing throughout the equation by 2. So this is x, this is z and this is 4 after division. So this is my Roman 2. Now I will be taking Roman 1 and Roman 2 and solving the next part of the equation. So 3x plus 4z is equals to 15. This is my Roman 1 equation. And x plus z is equals to 4. This is my second Roman equation. So I have to eliminate term x. So I have to multiply this Roman 2 equation throughout 3 to make it 3x. So now multiplying equation Roman 2 by 3, I will get first equation is as it is. Then second equation will become 3 into x is 3x. 3 into z is 3z and 4 3s are 12. Now I will be subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So I will get 3x minus 3x will get cancelled, 0x. 4z minus 3z become 1z, that is only z. So 15 minus 12 is equals to 3. So you can put this z is equals to 3 in easiest equation, that is x plus z is equals to 4. So I'll be rewriting that equation again. X plus z is equals to 4. Substitute the value of 3 in this equation. So x plus 3 is equals to 4. Therefore x is equals to 4 minus 3 and x is equals to 1. Now you got two variable, x is equals to 1 and z is equals to 3. Now you can put this values in any of the equation from here. So I think equation 2 is the simplest one. So I'll be taking and rewriting the equation 2 again, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 6. I'll be substituting the value of x and z now. So x is equals to 1, z is equals to 3. So 1 plus y plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 plus 3 will become 4. 4 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 4 and final answer is y is equals to positive 2. Now you can consider as a final answer as a solution set x is equals to positive 1 from here and y is equals to positive 2 from this equation and z is equals to positive 3. Thank you for watching.